Hello everyone. In this video, you will see some fatal accidents that happened due to driver error. Join us to follow these accidents. If this is true, I think they should go to jail soon for their complete disregard for their own and others' safety. This is why we have to follow traffic laws and drive consciously. Whatever the case, let's start the video now. Suddenly, lost control of the car while trying to start it, hitting a car parked on the side of the road. The car lost control and collided head-on with two cars coming from the opposite direction, causing a terrible accident. Due to carrying an excessive load, the vehicle tran and lost control, resulting in the accident. The car's brakes failed and swerved toward a shop, but the shop was not damaged. The car lost control and collided with an electric pole on the side of the road, causing a major accident. Look, the man cleverly stole a bag from a nearby car and ran away. The wheel of a moving car suddenly came off and went in front of another car, which was why this accident took place. The car was trying to climb uphill and lost control and fell.
Hands on the steering wheel! Hands on the steering wheel!
The car lost control and collided with an electric pole on the side of the road, causing a major accident. Oh my God, what a terrible accident happened here. The cover van was attempting to overtake another vehicle when it collided head-on with the vehicle coming from the front. The car lost control and fell into a water ditch on the side of the road. The covered van lost control while turning the corner and overturned. Unable to control due to overspeed, two cars collided head-on. So terrible accident happened. The covered van lost control while turning a corner, and the rear of the covered van collided with a private car, causing a major accident. While trying to save the bird, the red car collides with the neighboring car. While the police were searching the car, another car hit the car from behind, narrowly escaping the police officer's life. The car lost control and rammed towards a biker who narrowly escaped death. The bike slipped in the rain. The man narrowly escaped being crushed by the car. Due to the covered van changing the road without obeying the road signal, a direct accident occurred with the vehicle behind. The private car lost control and ran over some bikes parked on the side of the road, causing a lot of damage. The white car overturned due to the high speed of the black private car. The car suddenly lost control and went off the road, but no other cars were damaged. Look, why do you think such a serious accident happened here? Private cars lose control, causing fatal accidents. Oh my God, narrowly spared the man's life. The bus lost control and ran over some bike parked on the side of the road, causing extensive damage. While it was raining heavily, a large boulder fell from the top of the mountain and fell in front of the car, saving the car from a major accident. The driver could not have guessed that the top of his car would be damaged. The covered van lost control and overturned while taking a turn. It was repeatedly trying to overtake the car in front, which caused it to lose control and overturn.